Looking for Silver and pass it to Maramang for three. Yes, a good rebound by Malasa. Yes, a long pass to Brother to Talutong. We have 12 seconds to shoot. Yes, for three. Yes, 3 points from Gamang. Sit to Gamang to Talutong to Yes, Ilalim. Yes, kay Brother. 2 points from Malasa. And of course, pass it to Malazap, and pass it to Flores for 2. Yes, 2 points by Flores. 3. Yes, a long pass to JR. JR sa ilalim, lays for 2. Yes. Of course. Number 2, long pass to JR for the third time around. Yesterday, once more. Yes. Nalugto ngayon and pass it to Kamag to Flores sa ilalim, chase block by number 19. On the outside of the court and you have 14 seconds to shoot. Yes, no good. Rebound by Malazap and pass it to Maramang for 2. Ay, Banyel pala. Yes, 2 points by Banyel. Hey, pero wala pa rin. 40 seconds to shoot. Pero kuha na number 3 and block by Flores. Pero ka pa ng Malazap. Malazap number 19. Lays sa isa pero wala. Rebound Kamag to Nalutong. Yes, at puti na nakuha ni number 25. Yes, at may sumabit. Who's forward? Number 3, pushing foul. Yes, nalutong mo number 23 on the outside of the court and pass it to Kalaban. Pero nakuha ni Gambang ngayon to yes, nice for 2 points by yes, number 26 ngayon. 20 seconds to shoot. Yes, pero nagawa ng bola number 8 ngayon sa ilalim. Pero pinasa number 23. Yes, successfully. Dito to number 25. Nagmamala for 2. Yes, it's a basket count. A foul violation. Number 19. Auntie Arlene. Barbecue flavor. Ayan. Yes, wala pa rin at pinasa kay number 10. Jersey number 10 ngayon. Sa number 11, nagbitaw ng bola. Number 13. Ito pinasa ng naman. Ay! Bakit mo pinapasa? Ala, number. Ala, 09. Yes! It's a traveling violation. Pero, yes, at pinasa kay number 10. 15-foot line. Yes, 2 points from number 10. Vigilant, ah? Number, yes, days, pero wala rin mata. Yes, it's a basket count. Ay, wala pala. Manong kataan na. Ha? Naman na kaya stage ni Kano, oh. Yes, Lace Marie, yes, 2 points by jersey number 3. You have 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds side set, pero wala pa rin. Pinapasa mo rin nakuha ng Kalaban. Number 26, lays for 2. Yes, number 26 again. 30 seconds and 2 points by jersey number 2. Malazap for 3. Yes, pero wala. Rebound by Flores to Malazap. Number 25. Yes, 2 points. 50 seconds. Yes, for his first free throw, pero wala. 4-3, Gamal, pero wala. Score of 23-10. 14, looking for Silver, down to 10 seconds to shoot. Yes, nagbaba na rin. Wala pang puta ng bola. Number 26 days. Yes, 2 points from number 26. Number 3 to Gamba. You have 10 seconds. You have 15 seconds to shoot. To Florence for 2. Yes, the good rebound by Malazap again for yes, 2 points. By Malazap, number 8. Alam mo, men's nga tama. Yes, number 14 ngayon, Lace. At Malazap, yes. Napakagaling. Yes, 2 points. By number 26. Number 26 ngayon, number 26. Yes, 2 points. Remaining time, you have seconds to shoot. Number 19, you have 10 seconds to shoot. Lays for 2, yes! Down to 12 seconds to shoot. Down to 10. Yes! Nice coordination! Yes, number 14 for his last free throw. Yes, what's number 30 to number 19. Yes, nagbamadali. Yes! At may sumabit. Medics. Nakuha na. Yes, number 40 ngayon. Nagmamadali for 2. Yes, at pinasa sa kalaman. Kisa ngayon. And kasi tumalasab sa ilalim. Number 26. Pero nakuha pa rin number Malasab pa din. Let's go 2. Yes, 2 points by Malasab. Larry Ball. Looking for receiver. Pass again number 14. Down to 10 seconds. Yes, number 26. Nice for 2. Yes, napakasarap. Napakagaling. Is waiting for receiver. 15 seconds to shoot. Yes. Tumalama. Yes. Pass. You have 7 seconds to shoot. Yes. 3 points. Down to 10 seconds to shoot. Malasab sa ilalim. Yes. 2 points from Larry. Yes. You have 14 seconds to shoot. Yes. At nakuha ni Kizagan. No pass. 2 points from Kizagan. 0-5. Yes. Number 10 ngayon. Oras 2 minutes. Yes, spinning around, pero block by seconds to shoot. Down to 10 seconds shot clock, pero nagkaroon ng bola. Yes, to number 30, lays for 2. Yep. Jersey number 30. Pigi ka ba? 15 seconds shot clock. Down to 10 seconds shot clock. Yes, for 2. Yes, easy shoot from shot clock. Pass it to Kizagan. Down to 10 seconds. Panalagaw ng bola. Yes, para magaya number 27. Nagmamadaling for 2 points. Yes, 2 points from Barabag number 27. There you have it. 26 in favor of the for 3 points by o di ba niyan? Just for 3 again. Sino yun? Gamba. Yes, yun na nga. Talaga ng bola. May Malasab JR sa ilalim ngayon, number 25. Yes, 2 points. Napakabilis ng mga pangyayari. Pero ngayon, number 16. My birthday. 17 seconds shot clock. Yes, bang bang. Yes, 3 points. You have 8 seconds to shoot. Yes, for 3 again. Rebound by. Yes, it's a basket count. 20 seconds to shoot. Seven. Yes, napakagaling mga dribbling skills niya. At pinasa kay yes. At buntingan pa, pero nakuha pa rin. You have 5 seconds. Yes, 2 points by. Ngayon, yes, buntingan na bitawan ng bola. Number 27, lays for 2. Yes, it's a basket count. You have 15 seconds shot clock. Yes, Malasab sa ilalim. Yes, 2 points by Malasab. Choice number 23 ngayon. And pass it to Malasab sa ilalim, pero pinasap kay number 23. You have 50 seconds. Yes, at may pumito. Respond up, number. Pakalakas ng yes, at nabitawan. Sayang. Walang kabataan page. Live na live. Walang labis, walang kulang. Just number 10. Yes, it's a basket count with a foul. And for his bonus shot, yes, 5. Malasab ngayon, JR sa ilalim, nagmamadali 2 points from 25. Panya ngayon, 09, you have 1 minute and 35 seconds left. Yes, pero wala. Remember number 10? Yes, 2 points from Panya. 15 seconds. Down to 10 seconds left. Yes, what a nice shot. 2 seconds left. Spinning around by number. Yes, napakasarap. Yes, you have 50. Yes, number 26. Race for 2, yes, at my number 23, 12 seconds to shoot, yes. Down to 10 seconds. Yes, walang labis, walang kulang. 3 points by jersey number 5. 3 points. Yes, the moment is number 9. Rebound by number 26 to number 9. Yes, napakalakas. Pero nakuha pa rin ang kalaban, eh. Ngayon, and pass it to Flores for 2. Yes, what a nice shot. What a nice point. 17 seconds to shoot. Hindi ko nakikita sa poste. Yes, they're good. Rebound by Kisagan 05. Yes, what a nice shot from Jersey 5. And pass it number 3. You have 7 seconds to shoot. Down to 5 seconds. Yes, pasok. 3 points. Seconds. Yes, at agaw na bola. Agaw na bola number 26. Number 26 ngayon. Pass it to number 14. Laceburn. Yes, para nasa kay number 19 pa rin. 15 seconds to shoot. Yes, pero wala. Yes, at ginawang 30 seconds remaining. You have 18 seconds to shoot. Yes, Flores gonna say ilalim na pablo with 2 points by Flores. Remaining time. Yes, number 14 nagmamadali pero pinasa kay number 3. Pero wala pa din nagmamadali number 3. Yes, for the second time around. You have 14 seconds to shoot. Number 10 ngayon sa ilalim. Yes, 2 points by number 10. To Flores. To Kisanan. To Talundong number 23. You have 18 seconds to shoot. Lace for 2 points. Number 10 to number 9 sa ilalim. Pero number 26, tumirada ng 2 puntos. Si Jersey. Number 30 ngayon. Number 23, you have 15 seconds to shoot. Pinalik kay number 30 for 3 points by Jersey number 30. Have 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Walang kakupas-kupas, yes. 2 points for Jersey number 14. Young. Yes, rebound by. Yes, atakuhan ni Kisanan to Taludtungan. Yes, 2 points by Taludtungan. Flores! It's a libre-libre, pero ganun pa rin. Yes, we have 1 minute and 50. Gulul. Yes, pero wala pa rin. Number 27, 40 seconds. 98, 2 points by number... Dam. Yeah. Wala ka pa rin sa aba. 10 seconds left. Dunk. Okay. Congratulations.